To make a habit tracker in Notion 2025, start by opening your Notion workspace and creating a new page. Name this page Habit Tracker and set it as a template for easy duplication in the future. Begin by creating a table with the following columns: habit, goal, target frequency, and progress. The habit column will list the activities you want to track, such as exercise or reading. The goal column will outline the specific objectives for each habit, like exercising for 30 minutes daily. The target frequency column will define how often you aim to perform each habit. And the progress column will track your daily adherence to these habits. Next, add a calendar view to your page by clicking the Add a Block button and selecting Calendar. This calendar will provide a visual representation of your progress over time, allowing you to see patterns and areas for improvement. To make your habit tracker more interactive, incorporate checkboxes or a yes/no toggle into your table. This will enable you to easily mark off completed habits each day, giving you a sense of accomplishment and motivation to continue. For enhanced customization, consider adding a notes section or a reflection page to your habit tracker. This space can be used to jot down observations, challenges, or insights related to your habits, providing valuable context and helping you refine your approach over time. To maintain consistency and make tracking a breeze, establish a routine for updating your habit tracker. Set a reminder or allocate a specific time each day to review and mark your progress. This consistent effort will help solidify the habit of tracking your habits, ultimately leading to lasting changes and personal growth. By following these steps and tailoring your habit tracker to suit your unique needs and preferences, you can harness the power of Notion 2025 to build positive routines and achieve your goals.